Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a guide to the bird event and grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The bird event update has been dropped in grow a garden. And in this update guys, you will see some birds right here, and then basically you just need to feed them to get reward. Every 5 minutes one of them will drop a reward, and it can be something from the gear shop or it can be the bird egg. If you're lucky, you can get the bird egg after you feed the bird. And wait, I'm going to give the bird this bone blossom. Okay, and I recommend you to feed them with transcendent or prismatic fruit, so you will have more chance to get the bird egg. Okay, and yeah, after we feed the bird, we just need to wait for one of them to drop something. And wait guys, you just need to AFK, and let me show you what you will get from the bird egg. Okay, these are the possible pets from the bird egg. Yeah, it's not bad, and you can hatch the bird egg in 19 minutes if I'm not mistaken. Okay, this bird egg is ready to hatch, and let's see what I get. Oh, wow, what is this? I'm going to place it in my garden. Oh, I got brown owl, and we will have 20% chance or possibility to get this pet. Okay, and let's see. Okay, they haven't picked this food. And there's no something new in this update guys. There's no new feature or new seed, just new pet. Okay guys, and that's all about the bird event and grow a garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.